Welcome to Avana Luxury Villas in Chengtalay. This boutique villa development is only 5 minutes away from Robinson Shopping Mall and only 10 minutes away from beautiful beaches like Bangtao and Layan. This boutique development consists of only 6 luxury villas. Each villa has minimum 800 goes up to 1000 square meter land plot, and built-up areas start from 550 goes up to 600. Each villa has 4 spacious bedrooms and 6 bathrooms. Beautiful kitchen, great finishing, top quality material. Now let's go and have a look. This project is perfect for those looking for privacy. Each villas having massive land plots is providing privacy for each owner. Apart from privacy, convenience is also very important. This project is in the middle of everything. International schools, international hospitals, shopping malls, beaches. Everything is within maximum 10 minutes drive. The developer used high quality finishing throughout the villas. Each villa has 2 kitchens, one of them indoor, the other one is outdoor. Also, there's 14-meter long private swimming pool, which is salt water, is perfect for children. As I mentioned before, there are only 6 units in this project. Contact us to get all the details and current promotion.